Whether you need to prune some limbs, cut firewood, or take down a whole tree, a chainsaw is a versatile tool that handles a wide variety of tree cutting needs. Here are the proper procedures for installing a saw's guide bar and chain. Remove spark plug lead. Pull the brake handle back towards the rear of the saw. Remove the 2 clutch cover nuts and remove the clutch cover. Mount guide bar over the mounting studs and slide the bar back towards the clutch. Slide the chain link over the clutch, aligning with the teeth in the clutch's sprocket. Loop the chain over the bar, installing it within the groove of the bar. Be sure the cutting teeth are facing forward. Install the clutch cover, making sure the brake connector is in the appropriate slot, and tighten the 2 clutch cover nuts. Make sure the brake band is around the clutch. If necessary, adjust the chain tension and engage the chain brake until ready to use.